So I've gone and bought a few more GoPro things. This is not a sponsored video. I bought these myself. I just wanted to buy a few more things to make filming a little bit easier. So I wanted another battery because I've only got the one that come with the Hero 10, and I wanted to be able to charge it outside of the camera. So I bought this pack, which we'll open up and have a look at. And I've bought this attachment. I've got a few other attachments and I've done a few other unboxing videos, so go check them out if you haven't seen them. But I found that I wanted something to be able to attach onto like larger bars for filming with like diggers and things with roll cages and stuff like that. So I've got this and we'll open that up and have a look as well. So I bought these quite a while ago now, quite a few months ago. So we'll start with this one. It might be a slightly different option now when you buy it. I bought these through GoPro. I can't remember how much I paid now, but so there's the front of the box, the side, the back, the other side, and the bottom. So on the website it might be different now. It might come with a different battery, but as I say, I bought this one a while ago, so let's have a little look at it. I did find I was going through batteries relatively quick, or through the battery I had relatively quick. I was charging it a lot whilst trying to film, so an additional battery is going to be much better. Oh, so there's the box. Get that out of the way. Can't see around the camera. Let's have a little look. So there's the instruction manual. Obviously want to have a little read of that. Get that out of the way. There's a little quick guide, I guess that is, that comes with it. I've opened it upside down. So it's actually quite a bit smaller than I thought it was going to be. So there's the charging block, or the stand. It's quite neat looking. Comes with, or this particular box, as I said, this one comes with this battery. Right. It comes with this battery. Let me hold that up with something a bit better to be able to see it. So that's the battery information. It comes with one of them. Box. And it comes with a lead. A USB A to C. Pretty sure that is. So it's quite a short lead, but long enough. And like that. So that's quite nice. So now I can charge two batteries at once. The one that's in there and this battery. They fit nice and neat. Quite like that. So that's one thing. So that's the charger, and it came with the one battery. As I say, it might be a slightly different package now, but that's going to make filming much easier to be able to film without taking breaks to charge. So the other thing we've got is the large tube mount. Through that plastic. So the front is the side, the other side, there's the back. So I reckon this is something I'm going to use quite a lot of, because I think this is going to be up there with ones that I use the most. So let's open this one the right way up this time. There's the box. There's a little bit of paper that comes with it. Always really neatly packaged. I quite like that with the GoPro bits that I've had. Alright, so you got the mount, got the thumb screw, Hang on here. Oh, it's just clipped over. And then you've got the bracket, the tube mount itself. That's the box that it was packaged in. Quite well designed. Get that out of the way. So, alright, so that frees it up and then locks it in position. That's cool. Oh, you can see it underneath the little like cog. So that's nice. So you can set it and be confident it's not going to move. Let's have a look how wide it goes. Right. So this little bit of rubber pops out. So it goes from, does it say on the box? Yeah, it says there. So it goes from attach your GoPro to tubes 1.4 to 2.5 inches, 3.5 to 6.35 centimeters in diameter. Let me get a tape measure. Alright, so that's the maximum there. So we've got, where's the box? So it says 1.4 to 2.5. So I'm guessing, let me know in the comments if I'm wrong, but to get the maximum width, I think you have to take this rubber bit out, because that there would be 2.5, or if you're in centimeters, 6.35. So that is the large tube mount attachment, and you've got the little clip on top. So that clips in there. Push that down to lock it in. Thumb screw, and that's that. But then you can swivel it round, lock it in. That's the two things unboxed. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have, like and subscribe, and go check out the other little unboxing videos I have with the GoPro stuff. And yeah, if you've got a must-use attachment, then leave it in the comments and I'll check it out, because I'm using my GoPro quite a lot now and I'm using quite a lot of the attachments, but I'm sure there's lots that I haven't really thought about buying. So let me know in the comments and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.